Good afternoon, students. I am back with my next presentation on general and pre-writing considerations for research report. This presentation I have made for my B.Pharm and M.Pharm students. Through this presentation, I have tried to make my student aware of how to write a good research report. I hope that through this presentation, my B.Pharm and M.Pharm student will be enriched with report writing. So let's start our presentation on general and pre-writing considerations for research report. Students, a research report is a scientific document. The purpose of the written report is to present the result of your research, but more importantly, to provide a persuasive argument to readers of what you have found. Research report should give a clear-cut idea of your experiment and the result with a persuasive conclusion to the readers. This is the foremost aim of a research report writing. Now comes steps in report writing. There are basically 4 steps in which you can divide report writing concept. First is analysis the task. The topic that you want, that should be very much clear in your mind firstly. Secondly, you should have properly analyzed the task of writing a report. You should be very much aware of what you want to write in the report. The task, analyze the task, it means you should have a complete idea of what you have to write in your report, research report. Then comes develop a rough plan. Before writing a research report, you should develop a rough plan, and a rough plan should consist of introduction, whatever you have thought, whatever the problem you have addressed, that should be very much clear. Then material and methods, then procedure, then observation and experimental result that you have obtained, and then conclusion. All these things should be very much clear, and a rough plan regarding all these factors should be prepared before writing a report. Then drafting the body of your report. Drafting of the body requires specialization. Scientific creativity should be represented while drafting the body of the report. Then comes draft the supplementary material. In support of your result obtained and the observation that you have made, you have to attach supplementary material in the form of figures, tables, datas as supplementary material. It is very much important and it gives your report a significance. Students, I have divided here research report writing into 4 steps. First is introduction. A clear cut introduction should be there regarding the problem you are addressing. Then, second is literature review and methodology. A complete and exhaustive literature review should be there. A good literature review gives you a good uh, topic, and it also gives you a great idea about what plans you should select, how the methodology should be selected. Then methodology, detailed methodology should be there. Then presentation and analysis of the data should be there. And fourth point, I have added result discussion, conclusion and recommendation all together. Result discussion and conclusion. Students, they make mistake that they merge all these three all together. So students should avoid this mistake. Result should be represented significantly, discussion is different thing and conclusion is different, so there should not be a merging of all these 3 factors. Students, introduction is a very important part of the research report, and it provides rationale for the research. The rationale should address 4 issues. First, the nature of the issue or problem the research investigates, it should be clear in your introduction. Then, what is the worthy of that investigation, why it is important. Then, what have previous researchers discovered about this issue or problem? This is important so that your uniqueness of your research could be clearly demonstrated. And what does your research attempt to prove? This question is simply it direct towards the novelty of your research. So introduction should comprises or should fulfill all these four rationale. Students, literature review is a summary of the major studies that have been published on a research topic. Literature review is usually included as part of the introduction in research paper. An exhaustive literature review gives you a good research project. Students, literature review should accomplish three goals. First is it should identify the major findings on a topic up to the present. Then it should point out the principal deficiencies of the studies or provide a sense of what is lacking in the literature. Then it should conclude by leading into your research question by explaining how your research proposes to contribute to the literature or address shortcoming of a previous study. Many of the students frequently asked how many sources should be included in the literature survey. To this most frequently asked question, my answer is it depends on how many major studies have been completed on the topic. Students should keep in their mind that literature survey is an important parameter in research report writing and while conducting a research also. So it should be very much recent to back. The literature survey should be done from recent to back so that they can get an idea. A researcher who is working in 2020 should not search the data of 1968 or 1970 the unless it is very vague for that researcher or it is useless for that researcher um, to start working on the literature survey of 1978 or 1980s. So I recommend student to search or to do literature survey from recent to 5 or 10 years back so that they can get a rationale that whatever work has been done in 5 to 10 years simply give you idea of the advancement as well as the lacking factor of a particular research. Next comes methods and materials. Method and materials are included in literature's in research report to provide exactly how to repeat the experiment. They give an idea of study design, sample size and justification. They clearly signifies the experimental protocols and procedures, data analysis techniques, any computer program if it required, and description of equipments and its use. So this section is very much important to prove the authenticity of your research. Theoretical analysis is important while addressing or while getting the result. Why? Because once when you have hypothesized your plan of work or when you have hypothesized your research, then you have also hypothesized about the results. Then comes the actual results and then comes your interpretation of the results. So theoretical analysis helps in merging all these three issues to get a one perfect answer. Dear students, while writing result, it should be kept in mind that the objective that we have taken while starting the experiment should clearly be reflected in the presentation of your experimental result. Result should also contain summary of the data that you have received as experimental data. The most important thing that should be considered while writing result that it should not be discussion. Discussion are very much important part of your report writing. Why? Because it discuss the ideas according to the result that we have obtained. While writing discussion we should also discuss different ideas according to their importance. Then you have to put your arguments in respect of your data received. Then comparison of your data with the previous study should be there while in discussion. A brief critic of your study should also be there. Nothing in this world is perfect, and none of the experiment come with all positive result. So there is a lacking thing always there. That's why it is called research. So a student should be very much aware of this concept of the science, that a brief critic of your study will give you a new vision to carry out your research in a more advanced way. Then implication of your research should also be highlighted in discussion. Then comes conclusion. The most important thing about conclusion is that the conclusion do not go beyond your data. Conclusion should always be very much concise, informative, result oriented. It should not be vague, and the takeaway message to the reader should be very much clear. Now comes factors affecting writing good research report. There are certain factors that contribute while writing a good research report. First is good research result. This is the obvious thing. Good result helps us to represent our report in a very systematic manner. Then time. Quality time should be spent on writing a review or research report. Every time you are writing a research report, you must be focused on that particular thing. Then comes careful planning and need to be creative. Planning should be there, and scientific creativity should be present while writing a research report. Organization of the paper. The way you are writing your paper or the journal in which you want to submit, every journal has their own format. So organization of the paper should be in that style. Then writing style is there. There are different type of writing style. In fact, there are different type of referencing style are also there. So writing style should be followed according to the journal in which you are going to submit your paper, or if you have already written your paper, then you can rearrange your paper according to the general guideline. Then language. Since we do not belong to a country where our mother tongue is English, so language is not now a barrier for scientific researchers. There are many tools present in the website which you can download, and you can correct the language, or you can take the help of some uh, specialist of language or editing services also. Students, the purpose of preparing this presentation for you all was to give you an idea how to write a research report, how to summarize your findings, how to restate your argument, and conclude whether or not it is valid, and present them in an acceptable format. I hope through this presentation you would have got an idea how to represent your writings, your scientific findings in a good way. Here we come to an end of this lecture session. I hope through my presentation you would have got an idea on general and pre-writing consideration for report writing. This report writing will help you in representing your scientific finding in a better way. This will also enable you to write a good research paper and a review paper, of course. Keep conceptualizing the matter. Stay at home. Stay safe. We'll be back with our next presentation on some different topics. Till then, goodbye.